Hey, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect social media with your Squarespace website. So let's see, you just need to go to, suppose the social media is at the bottom, and when I click it will take me to the Squarespace social media page. So I want to connect it with my social media. So now how we can do, just go to edit, yes, and go to the edit site footer and click on the social link and go to edit, and here's Squarespace. So enter your Instagram link. I'm going to enter my Instagram link and then go to enter my Facebook link. Yes, enter my link in here and then make it save, update, and now when I click on the social icon, it will take me to my social page. Okay, and I have another option that if I want to show my social feed, then I can also connect my social media. For this you need to go to settings and then go to third-party tools, then click on connected accounts. So I'm going to connect an account, connecting if I want to Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram, so that I can, suppose I want to connect Instagram, and I can show my Instagram feed on my website. So click on Instagram. Of course you need to must log in Instagram from this browser, and then it will take to allow access, and then you just need to give access, and then it will connect automatically. Yes, it's already connected. So pull enabled, and now I can show my Instagram feed at the bottom. Let's see, replace the block, and we can add a new section for Instagram feed. Just click on the add section, add a blank section I can add, and then now I can edit the block. Here's the social feed in Instagram. Yes, all of my Instagram photos is showing in here. Just click on the edit and then 10 items. I just want to show the 8 items, and then make the design is you can make the design as a slideshow, or grid is fine. Create image slide box. Okay, so this is for now, and then I want to make it bigger, and then just make it bigger. Okay, so I can show the 10 items and then make it 5. Yeah, it looks perfect. So these are showing from my Instagram, and this is very awesome feature in Squarespace that are not have in any other platform for free like this. Okay.